Now students, chapter number 8 motion, question number 9. So the statement of the question number 9, state which of the following situations are possible and give an example for each case. The first situation they have given me, an object with constant acceleration but with zero velocity, and the second situation is an object moving in a certain direction with an acceleration in the perpendicular direction. So the first situation is an object with constant acceleration but with zero velocity. Acceleration is constant but the velocity is zero. As you know, what is velocity? Speed with direction is known as velocity. And what is acceleration? Change in velocity of an object is known as acceleration. So they are saying acceleration is constant but the velocity is zero. Is this situation is possible? Yes, it is possible. So consider a ball. If I will take a ball and I will throw that ball in the upward direction. I will take a ball and I will throw that ball in the upward direction and let the ball reaches up to a height h. As it will reach to a height h, after attaining a certain position, the ball will stop at a particular height and then it will start falling down to the ground. Then at the highest point, the velocity of ball will be 0. When it will attain its highest height, then its velocity will be 0. But its acceleration will be constant. So this is the situation. The time when my ball will be at its highest point, at that point its final velocity will be 0 and the acceleration will be constant. Now the second point, an object moving in a certain direction. Object is moving in a certain direction with an acceleration is perpendicular to the direction. The acceleration produced is perpendicular to the direction. Is this situation is possible? Yes, this situation is possible. A particle in the uniform circular motion has the speed along the tangent drawn at a point on the circle and acceleration is along radius, and the two are mutually perpendicular to each other. So what they want to explain through this statement is, you take a stone and you tie that stone with a thread, and from the middle the stone is moving in a circular track. In the uniform motion the stone is moving. So from this point, suppose from here I am moving the stone here in this direction. So stone is moving in this direction. Every time the stone is moving in this direction, and the acceleration produced is along the radius at every time. Acceleration produced is along this radius every time. Acceleration I am producing from here along with the radius, but its direction is this every time. Got it? Here, suppose from here I am moving the stone with the thread and the stone is moving in this direction, but the acceleration produced in this stone is from here. This is the thread path. From here the acceleration is produced. So the acceleration produced and the direction both are perpendicular to each other. Now thank you students.